All right. As you can see, we're doing the Simplified series. OLED images and OLED Simplified series. OLED images and animations in GIMP. Part 1. New file. Making it for a single image on the OLED or a stacked bunch of images for animating. So let's do it. What are we going to do? Well, we're picking up on the list here where we left off. And now I put this here, and now we're going to do part 1. So here we go. We're going to do File New. You know what? I'm going to make this a little smaller because this is a skinny image and it doesn't matter. File New. And remember we picked up those nice templates? We made them. Let's do it again. Look, they're all ready to go. All right, maybe background color you need to adjust. Let's make it white. And there's our single image. And I'm going to try my hotkey, which is Command plus, and it works like a charm. Okay, so this is where if you had a single frame as your destination, you can just jump to part 2, creating and making stuff. If you want this to be an animation, we're going to do a couple more things to a file instead of just open a 128 by 32. Let's make our other template where it's a little more involved. This is our 30 frame 128 by 960. We're going to make the background white. I guess that doesn't save. So hit say OK. Now we want to slice this guy up. So we need to apply guides for slices. And here's what you do. That plugin we installed is hopefully going to be here for me now. We do image. We go to guides. We go to presets. And under the on image, we've got an OLED 32 pix frames. Ta-da! There's all the frames. Nice and laid out. So now you'd move on to the part 2 video, creating it and doing whatever you want. That's it.